Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Nix Lice Treatment and Prevention Kit.
Lice can be a nuisance, but this all-in-one solution claims to tackle the problem from every angle.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Hey there, folks! Today, we're talking about the Nix Lice Treatment and Prevention Kit.
Now, lice infestations are never fun, but with this kit, you might just have a fighting chance.
Let's break down what you get and how it works. First off, what's in the box? Well, you get a bottle of Nix Ultra Lice Treatment all-in-one shampoo, a Nix Ultra Lice Removal Comb, and a bottle of Nix Lice Prevention Daily Leave-In Spray. It's a comprehensive package designed to tackle lice at every stage. Now, let's talk about effectiveness. The shampoo is formulated to kill both lice and their eggs, including those pesky super lice that have become resistant to traditional treatments. And the removal comb helps you clear out any remaining lice and eggs from your hair. But it doesn't stop there. The Prevention Daily Leave-In Spray is your secret weapon for keeping lice at bay. Just spritz it on clean hair, and it promises to defend against lice and super lice, all while being gentle enough for daily use. One thing I appreciate about this kit is that it's easy to use. The directions are straightforward, and there's no need for additional steps or complicated processes. Plus, it's safe for kids aged 2 and up, which is a huge relief for parents. And let's talk about value. Sure, the initial cost might seem a bit steep, but when you consider the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're protected against lice, it's worth every penny. Plus, compared to some of the other options out there, it's actually quite affordable. Overall, I have to say, I'm impressed with the Nix Lice Treatment and Prevention Kit.
It's a comprehensive solution that tackles lice from every angle, and it's easy to use, effective, and reasonably priced.
If you're dealing with a lice infestation, this might just be your new best friend. And that's a wrap on our review of the Nix Lice Treatment and Prevention Kit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting us know what products you'd like to see us review next.
Until next time, happy shopping!